Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to do a massive unboxing. We have items that came from all over the world.
Yes.
We have a package from Hong Kong.
Yep.
We have a package from Bacolod.
Yes.
And we have a package from the land of One Piece. As well, no, the other one. And also a package from the land of Firefly. So today it's going to be a sneaker hype gadget unboxing.
Wow.
Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We have a bunch of ongoing giveaways ranging from smartphones to sneakers and to all of that awesome stuff. So subscribe, follow me on IG, join our Facebook community, join our Facebook page, and then click the links in the description box so you can be part of our giveaways. Good luck. See from the box, it's color brown. It has Jumpman.
So it's an off-white, out of the way.
So this isn't just any off-white sneaker because this is the off-white sneaker.
Oh, okay.
This is the off-white sneaker. So
Alright.
Bam!
Oh my goodness, wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the off-white Jordan 1 Chicago's.
Yan.
So the ultimate grails we have over here, still in impeccably good condition.
Actually,
this is second-hand, but take a look at how clean that outsole is. You could probably lick it and just, you know, get a few bacteria and virus. But it is super clean. And you know how I can tell? Because I used to have one, and the one that I wore was even yellower than this one.
Oh my goodness, okay.
So this is in impeccably good condition. So
okay.
Shout out to Justin.
Yes.
He's the guy that I usually get my size 13s from. It's actually his personal collection. So ba-bam.
Fairness, it looks better in person.
Yeah,
I only saw that like in photos, and of course behind the glass. But like when I'm now touching it, it's really pristine. I mean, I also love the different materials used for it. You know, leather, tumbled leather, and then a little bit of mesh here. All of these good stuff.
Yeah.
From Virgil Abloh.
So again guys, that's the first item I wanted to unbox and share with you. My ultimate sneaker purchase for the year.
Amuin mo muna, ano amoy?
Hindi, may nagsuot.
Okay, sige.
The Air Jordan 1 Chicago Off-White.
Alright.
Okay, next up. Our next package is from the land of dim sum and good food.
Good food, yeah.
Good food.
Pa doon, discounted hotels.
And discounted hotels. Gets you na yun.
Yeah.
Okay? So this is from Hong Kong.
Boom.
So Colin actually bought this
from Coach.
From Coach. So you can do the honors. Just pick it out of the box.
I'm gonna...
You have the Coach dust bag.
Yeah, it's really just a simple Coach dust bag. I was able to get this at Causeway Bay. So boom!
Guys, this is the, I think it's like the Uchiha. Paano mo i-pronounce? Ano ba lang mata ni Sasuke?
Sasuke.
Sasuke. Sa Pinoy na Pinoy, no? Nasira ang aking twang. Sasuke.
Okay.
Tsaka ni Itachi. Diba? So this is the collaboration by Michael B.
Jordan and Naruto,
and Coach. It's not Michael Jordan, the basketball player.
No. Michael B. Jordan, which basically yung kalaban ni T'Challa in Black Panther.
Right? So you have the eye, the Sharingan. O Sharingan. Kung gustong Pinoy ka, Sharingan. Diba? Nandyan sa harap. And then you have the clouds over here.
And then Coach na naka-print sa likod. There's like a Coach.
Leatherwear.
When you open it up, I really would love you to open it up.
You have that pop of red for the zipper, and if you open it up,
very simple, but there's something inside. My description eh.
This is a limited Coach bag created in collaboration with Michael B. Jordan.
Yep.
It combines our craftsmanship with Michael's cool and authentic approach to style, and it's actually numbered.
It's numbered. Yun.
It's numbered, so it is really limited.
It is very limited.
So it's number G194484709.
So and the great thing about this is when I when I bought this, the dude, the salesperson said, "Oh, it's great that you're buying it because in the next couple of days we're shipping everything back to Japan."
Wow, and we're going to Japan.
Yeah. Well.
So alam na.
There's that.
Ubusin ko lahat.
Okay, so I got myself another bag as well. I was supposed to get something like that or a tote bag, but then my dad talked some sense into me and said, "You know what? You're using a body bag most of the time. Why don't you get a body bag?" So I was able to get myself a body bag. This is the dust bag for it, and boom! I got myself the Naruto version.
Guys. This is the hypest, geekiest
Oh my god.
body bag of all time. You have olive green or
Yep.
some dark green. You have the Naruto. Is this the Naruto eye?
No, yung ano yun eh, para symbol.
No. This is this
The
eye.
eye?
When he enters Sage Moon.
Oh yeah,
if I'm not mistaken.
yeah. There we go.
If I'm not mistaken. So you have the orange color, of course, of Naruto, which is similar to his orange outfit.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I was debating between this or the Sasuke one, and the guy said, get this one because this is more hype than the Sasuke one, and this is the last piece
Oh, there you go.
in the whole Hong Kong.
In the whole of Hong Kong.
So I was like, I'm getting it.
Wow. And you have the
Easy.
same leather inscription
Yeah.
inside.
It's also numbered.
So how
as
much
well.
is this one?
Okay, so this one costs 3,600 Hong Kong. It's a little bit more pricey than its US counterpart, but the great thing is it's still available because you can't really shop it. You can't really shop this at US anymore. Everything's sold out in the website. This one is 2,500 Hong Kong, so roughly this is around 16,000. This is, I need to compute because
But you're
3,600 times 6.6. I don't know.
around roughly, yeah. Let's move on.
Let's move on. Very expensive, more expensive than this one.
So I'll put it down below what is the peso equivalent.
Yes.
So that's our purchase from Hong Kong, the
Yes.
package from Hong Kong. Next, Colin, if you can do the honors.
Yan.
Diba? The Virgil Abloh IKEA
Yan.
bag. Now I bought one pair of this collection when I was in Singapore. Were you with me in Singapore?
No.
No.
Taiwan.
So I bought this when I was in Singapore, but it was another shoe. But now it's officially available here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So this, as you can see, is the Skechers One Piece.
Wow.
So I used to have the Blackbeard sneaker, so that's Kurohime yata pangalan niya or something. So this is not Ace. This is Luffy.
Luffy, okay.
So again, this is already pinumalabas ang Pinoy. This is already available. already available in the Philippines. There goes the butterfly. Diba? So you can actually buy this already at Skechers stores.
Alright.
So you have the characters Bacolod Marineford print at the top of the box.
Nice.
This fit pictures. Guys, parang nawala lahat ng English classes ko, English vlog. This features, you know, the aesthetic of Luffy, Monkey D. Luffy. Anyways, as you guys can see, you have these colors. Is this Luffy or is this Ace? No, it's Luffy. So it's bright red / orange. You have the pirate logo, his logo over there, Skechers at the back. This is using the D-Lite silhouette. So it is one of their more comfortable, chunky sneakers. And it is actually one of my favorite chunky sneakers that they have in their collection. Shout out to Skechers Philippines for hooking us up with this pair. Guys, if you are wanting to buy one of the pieces from their collection, just check out the Skechers Philippines shops near you.
Yep.
Okay, to wrap things up, we have a package of gadgets.
Yan.
So this is an early Christmas gift from the awesome people of Firefly LED Philippines. So from the land of glowing bugs, which is actually apt because these are LED lights.
Okay. So from glowing bugs to glowing bulbs.
So this is the Firefly
It looks very sexy. I like it.
clip clamp. Next, we have the Firefly Basic Series LED bulb.
Uy.
Lasts up to 10 years, 15 hours of life hours, 806 lumens, 85% energy savings.
Nice.
Firefly.
Okay. 10 years.
And this one is the motion sensor light bulb. So it has built-in safety, built-in EMI filter, has, you know, absorbs all of the bad juju in the house. When you pass by, it draws the negative vibes away from your cells.
Yung ba yung motion
it sucks
sense?
it up and then it uses it to power the energy.
So it's powered by negative emotions.
Yes, that's why when you pass by, it sucks the energy, turns it positive
to a light.
to light up, and then when you pass by, it sucks the negative to dim down.
Nah.
Diba? So as you go through the lights, you will feel a sensation coming out of your pores. That is the negative energy that's coming out. Because it's the Firefly Pro Series.
Naps, okay.
The ultimate
You know what?
lighting.
Just because of that, I'll buy.
Yes.
I'll change all my lights.
Yes, this is a life-changing device. Because apart from, you know, lowering your electricity cost, it will lower your stress levels, it will brighten your outlook in life, and it will radically change the way you see home furniture.
Interesting. Sige.
Diba? So,
Gusto ko yan.
Kung may naniwala sa inyo, hindi ko nakasalanan yun. Okay, next. We have the Firefly Oh wow, cool! We have LED Christmas light strings.
Oh,
very
okay.
timely, super timely. So this has 100 lights, 7 meters, safety fuse, which is important because there are a lot of houses that get burned down.
Oh, pag Christmas.
Diba? With
yeah.
faulty electricity, with faulty electric lights.
Yes.
Like
Electric
this one,
wiring.
electric wiring, diba? So always make sure that you buy high quality products with stamps of stuff like that.
Yeah.
So maganda yung quality of the wire just by touching. Kasi usually the wires are really bad.
Yeah. Pag flimsy siya, usually mga China.
You know it's
mga,
going to die.
Yeah.
Diba? So this one, it matches the color of your tree. So it blends in naturally if you have a green tree.
Yeah.
And of course, this one, just like the motion sensor, really draws the negativity from your in-laws.
Oh.
So if you have in-laws over or sabihin natin you have issues with your family,
So okay to.
during Christmas,
This is the best.
get them to come close to your tree. Because it will suck away the bad juju that's festering in their heart. And it will allow for an atmosphere of genuine forgiveness.
Nax.
Diba? You will see reconciliation.
Firefly,
You will see healing.
I do not
You
know
will
what
see
to put
broken
under.
relationships molded and melded and restored. You will see resurrection.
Hindi na yun. Wait lang. OA yun. Okay.
Again, kung naniwala kayo, hindi ko na kasalanan yun. Okay? So again, that's it. These are the products that were sent on over. Oh wait, we have one more.
Oh, what's that?
This. Oh wait. This is an LED light.
Yung actual packaging niya is an LED light.
Oh, do you feel it?
Medyo.
Do you feel it, Colin?
May naramdaman ako. Nakikiti naman sa wire.
No, that's not.
But it's not. That's,
Hindi yan kiliti.
so yun.
That's
It's working.
Do you remember what I said earlier?
Oh, it draws.
It comes out from your pores.
Okay. That's the reason why.
Okay, so guys, tandaan ninyo, if you want to remove the stress in your life, apart from praying to God, eating healthy, exercising, and trying to, just be grateful that you have a life.
Light up a Firefly.
Light up a Firefly, put it all over you, and feel it absorb the negative energy.
Firefly, I don't know what you put in your LEDs, but I want one.
Yeah, so again, change your life. Have a better quality outlook and perspective.
And then change your lights.
Change your lights to Firefly.
Firefly.
Ayos!
Paid ba to?
Hindi.
Sana nga paid.
By the way, we're not paid. Pinadala lang nila. Nagtitrip lang kami. So, but if anybody who's watching this wants an ad like this,
Yes,
hit me up on IG.
Yeah, let us know.
I will do alam mo, seryoso nakakatuwa to Nakakaliw siya. Baka mag-review ako na nakaganyan.
Ilaw.
Diba?
Sige,
Again,
why
may
not?
ganyan, diba?
Why not? Why not? Diba?
Alam mo, pwede mo ito dalhin. Guys, eto, seryoso.
Kasi
Serious.
battery siya, no?
Serious na.
Okay.
Sabihin natin nangangarap ka maging influencer. Diba? You wanna be an Instagram model.
Alright.
Then you can use this as props.
That's true.
When you're traveling,
Yeah.
diba, put it on the floor so that's their glowy effect.
No, or put it all over yourself, lalo na kung model, whatever.
Diba?
Tapos,
While you're in the pool, tapos tapon mo to sa pool. Ganda nun yung buhok mo,
Diba?
kuryente. They're super saiyan.
patay. Great photos, but it's your last.
But one guarantee, you'll be viral. Okay, with that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed our vlog for today. Shout out again to Justin from Bacolod, Coach Hong Kong, for being such a generous and easy to talk to.
Yes.
Did you have the name of the sales lady?
No.
Okay, that generous sales lady.
Sales guy.
Sales guy that assisted Colin
Yes.
with his purchase of the Naruto. Shout out again to Skechers Philippines for the hookup on the one-piece sneaker, and of course, the life-changing, relationship-mending, talagang outlook-changing, world-changing, lahat na lang changing. Light up your life. Change your light bulbs with Firefly. Boom.